Power from the Renaissance Man. Next patient for today is a compressor. I have borrowed it from my mom and dad since my huge 100 liters tank, 3-phase monster, has a crack in its tank, so it cannot be used. I need to blow out the water underneath the garden going to our shed, so it doesn't freeze in winter time. So I need to borrow the compressor. And when I borrowed it, my dad said, by the way, it doesn't turn off until the safety valve open and the compressor is still running. And could you please also check the oil? Yeah, thank you for that one. So oil is quite easy. It's back here, but take that to last. I think it could be, hopefully, rather easy. There's a pressure gauge in this one that you can adjust where you want it to turn off. Something have obviously happened with it, and I hope it's an easy fix. Otherwise, I need to replace that one. Might be that buying a new one costs more than a complete new compressor from China. That this is. So let's see. Hope for the best. If I can open up this one. Let's see if I can open this one. There's only an on-off, that one. Normally that's a dual action, that you turn this and adjust the pressure you want to have. It seems to be a simplified version of this one. Here, let's see, turn it around. Here is a spring. So there is something that is spring loaded, connected because the air pressure comes here. That should push this one up and in some way impact the on-off switch. That does not seem to work as it should, so first I would like to understand exactly how this works. I never had one of these apart before. And I do not really want to start it up either because it makes so much noise. Okay. But I think we should do like this. I'll come back to you when I figure out how this works and what we can do about it. It doesn't look too complicated, but I need to understand how it actually works and how to fix it. So, I'll come back to you soon. I took this upper part apart, and it's no real rocket science to it. Let's see if I need to turn things around. So it's air coming up from the tank. There's a rubber diaphragm just underneath this plastic part from the brass casting. That one push a spring-loaded plate, and you can adjust the pressure of a spring with that bolt. Probably the same thing as I have at my bigger compressor, that you adjust this one, probably pushing at turn that around. Now I just try to get things tightened up together, and I want to, because I don't want to have a leak here, I want to try to start the compressor to see if I can adjust. So my guess is that things have got stiffened up a little bit, so adjustment for the turn off pressure have become slightly higher than the safety spring-loaded one, or the spring-loaded safety one has become slightly less than that one was set to. So let's see if we can. Probably gonna make a hell of a noise. And sometimes this small one-phase compressor consume a lot of power when they start up, so maybe we blow a fuse, but let's see. So what you can hear is the overpressure valve open up. So now it works. It turns off at 6 bars. Want maybe a little bit more. So now it's at 7.5. It turns out off at 7.5. Maybe a little bit close to the 8. Seven something. So, problem solved. Just a simple adjustment of a pressure gauge. And I'm deaf out of the sound. So that one quite easy fix. I just bolt it together again, and then we have a working compressor. And since we are on movie, my dad asked me to check the oil. Look like it might be completely dry. Yeah, it is. that window normally is not indicated on this one, but it should be halfway up with oil. Yeah, well, it's hard to see. It seems like there is nothing in it at all. So let's take, since we're going in the kitchen, feel the bottom, yeah. It's like 2 centimeters up on this one, so maybe it's actually a little bit too much in it. So when I leave it, might be that my father has filled it up and thought that it didn't help. Anyhow, quite easy fix. Just put the cover on, and then I know how to adjust these ones. That's good. So that was all for this little bit video. How to fix / adjust a small Chinese compressor. So it was not much of a problem actually. With this small nice compressor, it's so easy to just think that okay, it's broken, I throw it away. It's always worth the time, at least I think, to open it up. You learn how things works inside. If I figure out that this was actually broken, then I decide if I don't want to change the pressure switch or not. I have seen these, you can buy them. I have no clue, or don't remember how much it cost. But it turned out it's a really easy fix. And what I think has happened is either the safety valve had gone a little bit soft, so it's open up just underneath 8 bar, or the spring system in here has just get a little bit firmer, so it wanted to turn off closer to 8 bar. So either just by me adjusting it, I loosen it up a little bit, or I just adjusted it down to 7.5, 7.2. But now the compressor works, it turns off. Yeah, and it's in good working condition. It's turned out it also have oil in it, so now I can use it to empty our garden hose that lie underground, so it doesn't froze during winter time, and I can return a working compressor to mom and dad. And I maybe, just maybe, finally jump on the task of repairing my own one. That would mean definitely parts, because there's a crack in the tank, so I need a new tank. But that is probably bigger work and also some money involved. But this was all. Working compressor. It took me maybe, between shooting videos, I think an hour-ish to grab the tools from workshop, take it down, understand how it works, adjust it. Good money for an hour, I would say. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.